Click on the text. At the top, go to Effects. Click on Background. You can adjust the roundness of the highlight, the spread, the transparency, and the color itself. Now, this works only if you want to highlight the entire text. If you only want to highlight a portion of the text, then you cannot use the same method. You would have to come over to Elements on the left-hand side, select a shape. In this case, I'll just select a square shape. I'm going to change the color of this to yellow, and then drag the shape and position it to highlight the words that you want to highlight. So right now, you can see that the shape is behind the text because when I click in this area, the text is highlighted, not the shape. So if you want to edit the shape to adjust its positioning, you can go to Position, and in Layers, you can drag the highlight shape on top. So now it's on top again. I can adjust the transparency levels here to get it to fit exactly where I want it to. And then once I'm done, I can readjust the transparency level, and in the layer section, drag the highlight underneath the text. So now that it's behind my text now. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and